Hey guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie and I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you like content like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's all free. You don't have to, pay anything. You can watch me on my journey through paying off my car, putting more money towards my mortgage, starting my homestead, stocking up on stuff, and getting my bills caught up. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I've had a rough couple of years, and I'm hoping 2025 will be a good year for all of us. So guys, let's get started. We have got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We got $25 started today, and I know where this 10 is going. So I'm going to show you guys where the first 10 of this money is going. And it is going to Let's Knock This, or Knocking Debt Out of My Life. So the first 10 is going here. And I am coloring in this number 10 here. So I'm just going to slide this in here. And then once we get this done, we'll count it and see how much we have actually saved. Some of these challenges you will see, some of them have already been started. I'm going back and forth with different projects of where my money is going. So once I really figure out what it's doing, I'll let you guys know, because I have ADHD and sometimes I change my mind. So the next one is the Easter one. Let me see if I can move this out of the way so it'll lay down. Here we go. This is the Easter, and what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to roll the dice on it. And we have a 3. So I'm just going to color in the 3. And there's 1, 2, 3. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. So we should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is sunny and cold here in Virginia. We're having some extremely cold weather. But, I mean, we've been lucky, guys. This is the first winter that my 24-year-old has said that this is the first winter that he can remember having snow lay on the ground more than 4 days. So we have been fortunate, and, I'm dumbfounded by these cold temperatures. So this one right here, I'm going to start with, let's just do 2 today. And I'll plan out more later of what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to put 2. So there's 1, 2. I know a lot of people is probably saying, you got so many challenges and they're all going towards the same thing. Yes, I do. But I enjoy doing these savings challenges so much. Each one will have a different place to go. Like the water, electric, cable, internet, different sinking funds later on. This one right here is the birthday challenge. I'm going to roll the dice for it. And we got a 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. And this one should have 6, 7, 8, 9 altogether. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's been a while since I've done this big binder here, this big binder challenge. And then the next one is medical. What we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just roll the dice on this one too here. And it's a 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, and I want to color in this 2 here. So there's 2 for medical. Medical is going to be for doctor bills, medications, co-pays, you know, just stuff like that. So what we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got $5 left. So we will go, let's see. Let's go here. We'll do a 5. So there's that. So now it'll have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, thanks so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. I hope you all are doing great. You're blessed and you're warm wherever you're at. If you're in California, my thoughts and prayers are with you guys. I know you all have been going through it too. Remember North Carolina, we still have people in North Carolina and Tennessee, East Tennessee, struggling, trying to find a place to live and staying warm. My thoughts and prayers are with all of you guys. And just remember, no matter what, always be grateful for what you have, because something I've learned in the last couple of weeks is that there's a lot more people worse off than what I am. And I am truly blessed that, you know, I'm okay. I'm warm. I got food in the pantry and food in the refrigerator, and, you know, I got heat. And I'm heartbroken for everybody who is suffering right now. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.